Wedding photos of famous Pakistani actor and writer Muhammad Ahmed's daughter Uruj Ahmed are going viral on social media. It can be seen in the pictures that the father and daughter are taking a photo shoot together on this memorable day. If we talk about the age of Muhammad Ahmed in the year 2021, then he is 63 years old. And when he is the father of 4 daughters and has no son. When it comes to her record-breaking successful drama, Marria's Tumho is at the top of the list, and Eddie Wafa is also at the top of the list. Muhammad Ahmed likes to act only in dramas that suit his mood, and he mostly works in roles that are related to daughters. And if you take a look at his plays, he appears in the role of a father. But he has stopped writing for a few years now and is now seen acting in dramas. And people like his personality a lot. But in today's article, we will see the wedding photos of Pakistani actor Muhammad Ahmed's eldest daughter Uruj Ahmed, in which father and daughter look very beautiful. Let us tell you that his daughter is not from showbiz. So let's take a look at the wedding photos of Muhammad Ahmed's daughter. Don't forget to congratulate Muhammad Ahmed's daughter on her wedding ceremony. Thanks.